6 divided by 1 over 6 multiply 6 equal what? Here this 6 and this 6 cancel out. Here this 6 divided by this 1. 6 divided by 1 gives us 6, but this answer is not correct. Now I will apply KCF rule to solve this math correctly. Here KCF, K for keep, C for change, F for flip. At first keep this fraction 6, change this division to multiplication and flip this 1 over 6 as 6 over 1. Multiply this 6. Here this 6 multiply this 6 over 1 gives us 6, multiply this 6. According to order of operation, when we have more than one multiplication, then we have to work left to right. Therefore, at first we have to work with this multiplication, then this multiplication. Here 6 times 6 gives us 36, multiply this 6. 36 times 6 gives us 216. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.